Organising with kids can seem chaotic, but don't worry, I'm here to give you some great practical tips to organise with your kids. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise with your kids. Back to school season is almost here. Are you ready? Here are some things to keep in mind that will make this hectic time go smoothly. Changes in schedule. Switching from the relaxed schedule of summer break and back to a school schedule takes some planning to minimise stress. Before school's back in session, map out the plan with your kids so everyone knows what to expect. Pick a wake-up time that accommodates how long it takes everyone to get dressed and eat breakfast. Are the kids buying lunch at school, or do you pack food from home? For packed lunches, it's best to assemble them the night before. That way you're less likely to forget something, and in the morning the kids can grab and go. Supplies. Don't buy what you don't need. Instead of heading to the store and guessing what supplies will be required for the year, wait until you have the lists from the teachers. To make it extra simple, combine all supply lists into one master list, so you have one document to reference when you're at the store. Before you go shop, take a look around your house and see what you already have at home. Check off what you already have on your master list, then bring the list with you to the store. If you use lists and think before you shop, you're likely to get everything you need in one trip. Treat yourself. School's in session and the kids are out of the house. Give yourself a break. Schedule a coffee date with a friend, take yourself to the spa, or plan a quiet afternoon at home with a cup of tea and a good book. You've worked hard to make this transition smooth for your kids. Make sure you're taking care of yourself too. Organising is a learned skill. It's never too late to learn, nor too early to learn. Have a plan, patience and persistence, and you will see results over the years. Organising is not one and done. It's a lifelong process. Enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Organise to Excel. Practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.